Have you ever been asked for an FS3 and immediately thought, where do I get it? What do I fill in? And what if I make a mistake? In this short video, I'm going to show you how Formoli.com helps you prepare an FS3 step by step, without needing to understand every box on the form yourself. I'll choose the FS3 form, click Find the Form, select the FS3 Malta Payee Statement of Earnings, click on Prepare this form, choose between the English and the Maltese version of the form. In this case, we're going to choose the English version. Hit on I am ready to start. I understand Formoli prepares the form for me to review, and that the final submission may happen on the issuer's website. Click on Continue to Form, and this will take you to the preparation page of the form. Here it will ask you for which year you want the form. We're going to write 2025. Hit Send, and what you write here will automatically show on the form PDF directly. Next, it's going to ask us for the name and surname of the employee. We're going to write Demo Employee. Alright, we're going to hit Send, and the information will be filled directly on the PDF form itself. Now, if you have information such as an ID card of the employee or a doc file which contains the information, you can attach it and directly upload the documentation provided over here. So you can hit Send, and the information will be uploaded from that doc file directly on the FS3 form. Now, if the information is useful for other forms that you have uploaded in the future, the system will automatically ask you if you want to save that to your vault. So if we're going to use this information for other FS3s, then yes, we should save it so that it will be available for future reference. So hit Save to Vault, and as you can see here, you have all the information of the employee. You have the address, the phone number, the postcode, social security number, and ID card all filled on the FS3 form directly. The next step, we're going to take the financial data to be uploaded. You can extract it from your payroll software. In this case, we're going to drag a CSV file containing the payslips of the employee, hit Send, and system will extract that information and fill the missing information on the FS3. If there's anything missing from the information provided, the system will ask you to fill that information so that you can fill the FS3 with the information missing. It will ask us if we want to save this information to our vault. We say no, because this information is only needed for this particular FS3. No thanks. Okay, and as you can see here, with prefilled with all the information as we need, including the gross emoluments, the period, the total deductions, and the name of the business information, etc., P number, and everything else already filled in. So what you can do from here, as soon as you're happy with the form, you can continue chatting with the Formoli assistant, or you can save the draft into a PDF. This will allow you to save the draft, and then you can upload it inside the and you can sign it directly and for it to be ready to send.